Every great anatomy drawing begins with understanding proportions. These simple guides help you build any human figure with confidence. To draw the head, start with simple blocks and clean proportion lines. This builds a solid foundation before adding details. Beginner artists should see the torso as just two forms, the ribcage and the pelvis. Learn these and the body becomes much easier to draw. Arms can look complex, but beginners should see them as cylinders connected by simple joints. Master the form first. Legs are built from long, clean shapes. Understanding the basic angles helps you draw movement with accuracy. The ribcage acts like a protective shield. Learning its shape helps you build a realistic upper body. The spine gives the body its curve and flow. Follow its line to create natural, lifelike poses. The pelvis is the body's central connector. Think of it as a bowl. It supports almost everything. Hands are challenging, but using simple box forms makes drawing fingers much easier. Feet seem complex, but start with block shapes. From there, you can build natural, believable structure. Muscles don't need to be detailed at first. Start with simple groups to understand how the body moves. The chest and shoulders are powerful but simple. Understanding their shapes helps build strong figure drawings. Leg muscles form elegant curves that guide dynamic poses. Learn the major groups first. Gesture is the soul of drawing. Capture the movement first. Details come later. This final overview connects everything: bones, muscles, and proportions, giving you a complete foundation for anatomy drawing.